Squeaking squeak squeaker. Hi everybody. Anyways, we're gonna go check out Mitch's new addition to the family. It's been parked all alone in the cold, but away from the rain, in far, far away land. So, Mitch has left me to go check out his other baby that's been in storage for far too long. A little bit chilly. Busted it out a couple weeks ago, I think. Got it out on the road, but it's still wintertime. Can't wait for those hot summer days. Regardless, he left me in the CELICA and he told me to recognize how spacious it is in here compared to the Lotus, and how you think that it's so small and there's not a lot of room for activities, and then you hop in the Lotus and you're crunchified. I have sat in the Lotus before, but I haven't driven in it yet, so that'll be new. I do love the fact that it is so quiet though, so I'm super excited, and it heats up super fast, so you know us girls out there, we pretty chilly. It's nice. Such a small cabin has positive effects, let's not forget.
You ready?
Ready to roll?
Let's ride. Yeah, thanks.
Oh my gosh, it's exploding. You want me to take a couple photos of the vehicle?
Let's do it. Okay, so I still haven't read this check engine light. I don't know what it's for. We'll find out what it's for. I'm not gonna drive the car that hard. I might go a little bit into some boost, but because it boosts so soon. But I'm just gonna go drive around and see what she thinks of the interior of the car, and just her first time in this car, because this car is absolutely so dope, so small. So yeah, there's the Toyota Celica we're leaving right there, which I was actually driving by that thing, and it's so freaking gorgeous. That's a beautiful car. But here she comes. Okay, this is her getting in the car. I'm already in it. Like I mentioned on one of my other videos, it's we'll see, you know, the left leg in.
Woo!
Yeah.
It's a lot smoother for me.
Yeah, she's smaller than I am. It's tiny, huh? It's cool.
Less room for activities.
Less room for activities.
Oh my gosh, these seatbelts.
So those are the racing harnesses. Oh my gosh, it's so small in here. So small. I don't use those. There's an actual bucket, just a regular seatbelt. Yours might. Oh yeah, is there one in there? Do you have just a regular seatbelt?
I don't think so.
No, you might have to use the racing harness.
Maybe this thing.
Okay, we're gonna.
It only makes me nervous a little bit. Let's go for a ride, he said. Let's put 18 straps on your seatbelt, he said. It'll be fun. I want to be strapped down too much.
You want hot? So we're in the Lotus. This is her first time in the boosted Lotus. I'm really excited. I just wanted to take her a ride for it and see what she thought of it. We had to put that racing harness on. Check that out. Her hair's covering it all up. But that's pretty cool. We had to put the racing harness on.
Strapped in.
She's strapped in. I haven't even used that yet, so that's cool that she used it for first. It's a cooler evening or afternoon, so it's pretty cold outside. It's good temperatures for the car. I'm feeling pretty warm in here. Are you getting cozy?
It's finally cozy in here. Yeah, just like I said.
Yeah, it's getting cozy. But I'm just gonna take her around and see her kind of what she looks like, or what she looks like, what they both look like. She looks good, huh? We're gonna go around though, and I'm gonna kind of get into it a little bit, but not too much. I just want her to feel the full power of the boost, but we're not going into crazy lift or anything like that.
Full boost ahead.
Full boost, full set. So this should be a pretty fun video. So we'll go ahead and get into it a little. So we're getting out of the car, we're getting a little bit of gas. I'm low on gas, halfway. I still gotta read that check engine light, that drives me nuts. But she wanted to film me getting out of the car.
Yes, it's hilarious.
Wow, I didn't even know that worked. Oop. Look at that.
Bullets flying.
I'm gonna get some photos for my Instagram, so follow me at MITCH_DORE for my Instagram. Oh, here she goes.
Thought you guys might want to witness the hilarity. I gotta back up. He's so tall. He made it. He made it. Oh, heck. Let's take this tour. First up, don't let the Lotus catfish you. It's gonna be all handy dandy by summer, but it is a fixer-upper. Look at the tires, sleekness.
Okay, so this is.
Oh, he's gonna take over. Never mind.
This is gonna be the thumbnail, because this will be a good thumbnail. So let me grab the thumbnail. All right, so she's getting back in the car. We just topped it off. Yeah, push it in and pull it out like that. Bring the gas away. One of the things is when I remove the gas cap, look how new this is. It's like brand new. Older ones are really stained because this car is so freaking new. All right, and I was actually thinking about removing this with an Allen wrench and then having it black, but I actually like the contrast. I think it looks pretty good. All right, so let's go ahead and get in this thing and roll out.
Hanging out at a red light. He's about to show me the boost. We'll see.
Boost.
Boost it, baby.
So I think this car runs on 7 pounds or 8 pounds of boost, not very much. Most 2ZZs you don't go too big on. It makes it run healthier for a longer period of time. So I think it's at, I have an air to fuel ratio, but I don't have a boost gauge, so I can't tell you guys how much boost it's on. I will take it to the dyno though, and that'll probably be in about a month or two I'll have it on the dyno. And I'll tell you what it is. I think it'll be like 240 to the wheels, which is a lot to the crank actually, and that's what I think it'll be. The kit says it's 275. When I originally got in the car, I think it was 300, 350 is what I was told, but I think it's, after reading online, I think they're 275, which is a ton of power for this tiny little roadster.
You can feel it when you're in it. So low to the ground.
One of the things I gotta be honest with, everyone in these cars, for some weird reason, the MR2 gets it too. The car behind me is so close. This goes back to the highway, right? This one does? I don't need to go up one.
I'm pretty sure.
How's that?
I look scared.
I think this is a good video, and it's an evening video. Can you see her face? Can you see her face?
Yeah, you can see
my
it.
face. I have a huge smile always, every time. How's that?
Just zipping through town.
How's that?
Yeah.
Lots of noise. Lots of noise. It's what did you say? It's high heels. A high heel shoe. That's what I said.
Oh yeah. So I asked him, is it comfortable to sit in his car? Because you guys probably can't see it, but his knees are like almost to the dash. So he's like this much. I'm like, is it even comfortable? And he's like, well, you wear high heels, you know it looks good, but it's not the comfortability. Yeah, it doesn't have the same comfort level as other cars. You just use it for the need for speed and how good it looks, and just like heels, discomfort.
Need for speed. Need for speed. I got the need for
speed.
Oh, yeah. I wonder if it has a launch control. 2 people in the car. It's bare and dry conditions, and the car still in first gear breaks the wheels loose. And I think they're like semi-slicks on here, so just power back then. The torque is the biggest. The torque is the biggest thing that's better on this car.
Underneath the thing next to you, especially if it's a truck.
I think there's some photos of that.
Yeah, as soon as you bought this car, you got flooded with the photos of the Lotus that got swept under the semi-truck, which did not do me any favors in encouraging you to make this purchase, but it's so beautiful. You can't not.
Aesthetics.
Aesthetics.
For the win, FTW. Okay, so it's dark out. We're using the phone light to light this video. The lighting in this car is just not existent. What was your experience?
It's fast. It's unreasonably fast.
Yeah, it's scary, right?
Dangerous, scary, all of the above. Every emotion you could go through, you go through it in this car.
It's just a weird little toy. It's just a toy. It's just for fun.
It squeaks like a toy with the turbo.
She doesn't like the blow-off valve, which I think is the best sounding blow-off.
I didn't like it.
This is the best sounding blow-off valve I've ever had. She's like, it squeaks. It's so squeaky.
It's a squeaker.
It sounds good. She likes the Evos more, the Turbo Smart. Yeah, it has a lot longer blow-off to it. This one's a really high-pitched, quick one. So she likes the longer blow-off valve on the Evo. That's what she's used to. But hope you enjoyed that.
It was good.
Many more trips to come, right?
Yeah, this is our first one. I can't wait for summer.
This is her first, summer's gonna be awesome. The top comes off.
The top comes off! Ah!
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to like and subscribe, hit the like button for this beautiful one right here. And subscribe for this good content. I'll see you on the next video.